Hey, Cookaholic, Chef Kendra here, and today we're making something I bet your kids are going to love. You're going to love it too. We're making beefaroni. So let's do what we do and make it happen. We have ground beef. We have crushed tomatoes. We have macaroni, onion, olive oil, chili powder, sugar, salt, and pepper. I'm gonna get some water over medium-high heat. We're gonna bring this water to a boil. Okay, we're gonna get this olive oil in this pan. And get this bowl of ground beef in the pan. The onions go in. Salt and pepper. And guys, I'm just gonna stir this around and brown the beef and saute the onions. Now we're gonna cook our macaroni in boiling water for about 10 to 12 minutes. And while we're waiting for that to happen, we're cooking our ground beef. I'm also going to add some sugar to this can of crushed tomatoes. This won't make it sweet, but it will cut the acidity of the tomatoes. I'm just gonna mix that in. Find this and other fine recipes at chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. You know I got you. All right, guys, two things are happening. This needs to be drained. I'm gonna turn off the heat and drain it in a second. A few more pink bits hanging about. But over here, this is almost boiling. It's boiling enough that I'm going to put in the macaroni. Make sure it's high. Give it a little stir up. Let that come to a boil. And just cook this according to package directions. Cut the heat, and I'm gonna drain the meat. That's horrible. All right, we have the macaroni. It's drained, and I have this pot over medium heat. Next thing we're gonna do is add our crushed tomatoes. And remember, we put a little sugar in this. I really like this brand. It's one or two brands I really like. Now we're gonna add the chili powder. And the ground beef and onion mixture goes in. I'm gonna drop the temp to medium low. Good stuff. I'm gonna serve this with Texas toast and a nice salad. Yo, share my videos and recipes, and if you haven't already, subscribe. Also, hit the notification bell so you'll be alerted when I drop a new video. That's all for this time. I'll see you next time. Chef Kendra is out. Peace.